Why consistency is the real edge. Most traders don't fail because they lack knowledge. They fail because they lack consistency. They jump from strategy to strategy, from time frame to time frame, from confidence to self-doubt. One week they feel unstoppable. The next week they question everything. And slowly they bleed capital, energy, and belief. Consistency is not about winning every trade. It's not about perfect entries. It's not about avoiding losses. Consistency is about showing up the same way every single day regardless of results. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to build trading consistency, not in theory, but in practice, using 4 clear, powerful steps. These steps are simple, but they are not easy, and if you master them, you'll be ahead of 90% of traders who never do. Let's begin. Step 1. Define your trading identity. Before you talk about strategies, before indicators, before setups, you must answer one question. Who are you as a trader? Most traders skip this step. They copy what works for someone else, and then they wonder why it doesn't work for them. Choose your time frame. There are 3 main trading identities: scalper, swing trader, investor. Each one requires a different mindset, lifestyle, and emotional tolerance. A scalper needs fast decision-making, high screen time, strong emotional control under pressure. A swing trader needs patience, comfort with holding trades for days or weeks, ability to ignore short-term noise. An investor needs long-term vision, deep conviction, the ability to sit through volatility without reacting. None of these are better than the other. What matters is fit. Match your lifestyle with your strategy. Ask yourself, how many hours can I realistically trade per day? Do I work or study full-time? Can I focus intensely for long periods? Do I get stressed easily? If you trade a style that doesn't match your life, consistency is impossible. You'll miss trades. You'll force trades. You'll feel guilty or rushed, and eventually you'll break your own rules. Match your personality with your strategy. Be honest. Are you impulsive or patient? Do you like action or calm? Do you overthink or act quickly? Your personality will show up in your trading, whether you want it to or not. The goal is not to change who you are. The goal is to build a strategy around who you are. Clarity creates consistency. When your identity is clear, decisions become easier. Doubt decreases, discipline increases. Consistency starts the moment you stop pretending to be someone you are not. Step 2. Build simple, clear rules. Complexity is the enemy of discipline. Most traders believe more rules equals more protection. The truth is the opposite. More rules equals more hesitation. More hesitation equals more mistakes. Define clear entry conditions. Your entry rules should answer, why am I entering this trade? What exactly must happen for me to enter? No vague feelings. No, it looks good. Only clear, repeatable conditions. If you can't explain your entry in one sentence, it's too complex. Define clear exit conditions. You must know where you take profit, where you exit if you're wrong, before you enter, not during the trade, not emotionally, not based on hope. Unclear exits destroy consistency faster than bad entries. Build a solid risk management framework. Risk management is not optional. It is the foundation. Decide how much you risk per trade, how many trades you take per day, and when you stop trading. Professionals survive because they protect capital. Amateurs blow accounts because they chase recovery. Why fewer rules create stronger discipline? Simple rules are easier to follow under stress. When emotions rise, complex systems collapse. Simple systems survive. Your goal is not to impress. Your goal is to execute. Step 3. Journal and review daily. If you don't journal, you're trading blind. The market gives feedback every day. Most traders ignore it. Record every trade. Write down entry and exit, reason for the trade, result, emotions before, during, and after. This is not busy work. This is self-awareness. Track your emotions. Losses are not the problem. Uncontrolled emotions are. By journaling emotions, you'll start to see patterns: revenge trading, overconfidence after wins, fear after losses. You can't fix what you don't see. Identify reoccurring mistakes. Consistency doesn't come from adding more trades. It comes from removing mistakes. Your journal will show you what to stop doing, what to repeat, and what to refine. Learn losses into lessons. Losses are tuition. Either you learn or you pay again. Professional traders study losses calmly. Amateurs react emotionally. The difference is journaling. Step 4. Create a routine and stick to it. Consistency is not motivation-based, it's routine-based. Morning preparation ritual. Before the market opens, review higher time frames, mark key levels, set your bias, clear your mind. You don't trade to feel something, you trade to execute a plan. Use a checklist before every trade. Ask, does this meet my rules? Is risk acceptable? Am I emotionally calm? If one answer is no, you don't trade. No exceptions. Evening reflection and journaling. After trading, review execution, journal emotions, detach from results. You are building skill, not chasing dopamine. Weekly review for adjustments. Once a week, review all trades, spot patterns, adjust rules slightly. No constant changes, only thoughtful refinement. Final thoughts. Consistency is built, not found. Consistency is not a secret indicator, not a magic strategy, not a shortcut. It is built through identity, simplicity, awareness, routine. Most traders want excitement. Professionals want stability. If you choose consistency, results will follow. Slowly, quietly, inevitably. If this video helped you think differently about trading, leave a comment with consistency so I know you're serious. Subscribe if you want content built for discipline, not hype. See you in the next one.